Hi guys, today we are making vegan meat, or what some of you may know as gluten. To begin, I'm using 5 cups of all-purpose flour and quarter cup of chicken style seasoning. This is not the traditional way, this is my way. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of salt, and then I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients together, making sure that everything is evenly spread before adding in my water, because we're going to create a dough. We are not going to create a dough that is too hard nor too soft. So we're going to knead it. We're going to give it a good knead, probably knead it for about 5 minutes. And when we are finished doing the kneading process, we're going to place it back into a bowl and we're going to submerge it into water. When this has been completed, we're going to cover it and leave it to rest for at least 3 hours. The ideal thing to do is to leave it overnight, and when it is rested, this is what it looks like. This is the gluten here. You are seeing that the gluten is already formed, and at this point what you want to do is to continue to play with it, and then we're going to change the water. Now that white water that is going to come out of that, you can leave it to sit, and when it sits, you can throw the top of it and to the bottom of it, you would see that there is a starch remaining. You can dry it and make back flour from that if you so desire. So what we're going to do now, after throwing all that white water, we're going to rinse it until the water is clear that comes out of it. So this may take you a while, and if you want to skip this process, you can buy the gluten flour, but the end result, it's just not the same. So the more you play with the flour, is the softer the end result would be. So you want to turn it up quite a bit. Now this is what it looks like after I've washed it the final time for the last time. And now I'm adding some more chicken style seasoning into it. Again, this is not how it's traditionally done, but I'm going to make some chicken nuggets for my children, so I want to make sure that it's very tasty for them. So I'm going to leave this, after adding the seasoning, I'm going to leave it to marinate for about 20 minutes. And when the 20 minutes has expired, I'm going to place it into a pot of boiling water. In that pot, I have some paprika and some other dry seasoning inside of it. I left it for about 15 to 20 minutes. And you can see that it has doubled basically in size. And then I'm going to cut it into the desired shape that I want. Now, to make the nuggets, I'm going to do a batter and fry it. This can be done in so many other ways. A lot of people make it in their pilaus or add it to their favorite food. A lot of people make it barbecue style, so they do a sauce and they allow it to marinate, they season it and allow it to marinate in the barbecue sauce. So the possibilities are really endless with this. So I hope you enjoy. God bless you. I love you.